You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you.
So we just pulled up to White Island, and I think Landon's ready to just do some fishing. What do you think, homie?
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
The weather getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
Wow, I just want to sit in this all day.
All day.
I want to sit in this water all day.
I know the feeling, it's traumatizing. I fall apart piece by piece. No superheroes, no silver linings. Just keep on moving to the beat. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. We fall apart, piece by piece. That's how the little things get huge. Just keep on moving to the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
So this is what comes with a kite to fly it. But we say we don't need that because we have our own kite flying mechanism. Starts right here. That's how you fly a kite. That way when it's time to bring it back, you just reel it in.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kind of like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sin.
Alright guys, so after a long fun day at the beach and on the boat, one of our favorite things to make when we have company down is our nearly famous Cajun chicken pasta. This is just about everything I need to make it. Sarah's got the chicken all nice and seasoned up, and we are going to throw this chicken on the grill, get it blackened a little bit, and then I'll be back in to make the sauce. So, common misconception while we're doing dinner tonight about the big green egg is that it can only smoke and slow cook and things like that, and that is not true. It is an actual grill. So my favorite thing about when we make Cajun chicken pasta is actually grilling the chicken out here on the big green egg, because it just gives it a way different flavor than what you get if you just cook it in a skillet. So we got this all seasoned up. We're gonna throw this on the grill, and then here in a minute we will go in the house and make the sauce.
We're like a
So everybody loves chicken Cajun pasta, but I, for one, absolutely love shrimp. So if I can get my hands on some shrimp Cajun pasta, I am all about it. But Ron can't have it because he is slightly allergic to it, so I'll try to keep it away from him. But drummer.
Alright guys, so this is the nearly world famous Cajun chicken pasta sauce. I'm going to do it a little bit different tonight because Kelly and Lily does not like spice. So I'm going to leave the spice out, and we are going to add that to taste afterwards. But I'm going to go ahead and put everything else in here other than the cayenne pepper and the Cajun seasoning. So that's going to just come a little bit later. But as you can see, I don't measure. I just put stuff in there and then I'll adjust it to taste afterwards. So I've never really measured this when I made it.
I gotta go get black pepper. If you want more black pepper.
I need more salt. As many of you know, we are still got Kentucky running through our blood. So as with anything, you got to Paula Deen it and put that butter in there. Alright, now we just let it simmer, and I'll stir it in, and then we'll add the Parmesan cheese here in just a minute. Alright guys, so it is ready to go. So we do some bow tie pasta. We normally like to use the small bow tie pasta, but this time it was like, they were out of it. So we are putting...
So no mini farfalle for us.
Yeah, and then you add chicken.
Dun, 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 dun.
Some blackened chicken on top.
Or shrimp.
Or shrimp. For Sarah. And then a piece of bread. And I did leave, like I said, I did Kelly's here and Lily, and they do not like a lot of spice. So I did leave the cayenne pepper out. So I'm actually going to add some cayenne pepper to mine in post. So, and here we go, guys. Let's enjoy it.